With great power comes great responsibility, and artificial intelligence is no exception. As usage and trust in AI models grow, ensuring their accuracy is critical. Yet, research shows that some models produce incorrect statements in more than one-third of responses. We decode how that has become a growing concern in this next report. Take a look. Modern AI models include features like deep reasoning, long-term memory, and autonomous agents that can browse the web or perform tasks with minimal human input. To perform these tasks, the models require vast amounts of data. That increases reliance on uncontrolled and unverified data sources. The increased exposure can lead to behavior that resembles overconfidence and a cognitive bias where confidence in one's knowledge or abilities exceeds actual accuracy. A recent study by the European Broadcasting Union highlights the consequences of this. Leading AI systems generate false claims at a rate of up to 40%. This high rate coincides with the change in model behavior. Previously, AI systems would decline to answer questions about events outside their training data. However, newer models having web access are designed to respond more frequently. That comes even when they are uncertain or have insufficient information. While this improves user engagement, it also leads to more fabricated output. Experts say the incorrect information given out are nothing but AI hallucinations. However, the models often deliver such responses with strong confidence, creating the impression that they are unquestionably correct. There are several reasons why AI hallucinations are still common, even with newer models. One reason is that users may ask vague or complex questions, which the model cannot easily interpret. This often prompts the model to fill in the blanks, using statistical patterns to deliver a complete answer. While these responses are intended to be helpful, they can result in factually wrong statements. So, what's at stake here? Investments in AI are at an all-time high. However, trust and continued investment could be at risk. Two recent cases have highlighted the impact inaccurate or fabricated output can have on businesses and individuals. In one case, an international advisory firm had to refund the government for a report containing AI errors. A judge was misquoted and non-existent references were cited. In another case, a senior judge criticized lawyers who had used AI tools to prepare written arguments referencing fake case law. He called on regulators and industry leaders to ensure lawyers know their ethical obligations. Both cases resulted not only in financial but also reputational damage. Given the rising usage of AI both privately and in businesses, accuracy should be a priority. Businesses are at risk of reputational damage or legal issues due to factually incorrect answers. Experts say AI-generated statements should be treated with the same critical mindset as human claims. Business Bureau, Beyond World is One.